Ready to unlock the full potential of your Kvcore website and become a real estate powerhouse. First, log into your Kvcore account, your central hub for real estate success. On the left-hand navigation menu, locate and click on the Marketplace tab, indicated by the shopping cart icon. This is where the magic happens. Scroll through the available services until you find the MLS Tile. You should see the logo of your local MLS or a generic MLS symbol. Click on the MLS Tile to expand it. You will see more information and a Request Activation button. Go ahead and click that button. A form will pop up asking for your MLS credentials. This includes your agent ID and potentially your broker ID. Depending on your MLS, ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Once you've filled out the form, double-check everything and submit your request. You'll typically receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. The activation process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on your MLS. Once activated, your Kvcore website will automatically display updated property listings, making you the go-to source for buyers and sellers in your area.